How should I budget for my new flooring? Budgeting for your flooring is very, very important. It is the most used product in your home. Just think of it. You're walking on your floors, you're abusing your floors, your pets are having accidents on the floor, the kids are spilling stuff on your floors. So you really want to put the money in the right place, and that's into your flooring. A lot of times it's a neglected part of the budget, but really it's the most important. And you want to have quality. You don't want to sacrifice, getting a lesser quality product than you could have if you budgeted right for those floors. So really take your time, think about it, have a plan in mind as far as your budget goes and what type of flooring you're going to want, because that product on the floors is going to make or break your project. In the life of the flooring, you'll be so happy that you spent your money wisely and made a good choice instead of settling for something that's lesser, that's not going to hold up and stand the test of time. With your budget, spending it wisely so you can find a product that will last you a lifetime instead of settling for a product that may be lesser quality because you didn't have your budget in place, that you really want that product to shine, because that's going to make your project and your home more beautiful and will last you a lifetime.